Welcome! In this beginner-friendly MikroTik introduction, I will show you what MikroTik is, how the Winbox interface is laid out, and which screens matter most when you first start learning RouterOS. We will cover the main Winbox workspace, quick set, interfaces, the IP menu, DHCP client, bridge, system resources, log, and a few basic terminal commands. This is the main Winbox screen. On the left you have the navigation menu, at the top you have search, workspace, and safe mode, the center is your work area, and the bottom bar gives you quick status information. Quick Set is designed for fast, beginner-friendly setup. It helps you work with the internet side, local network settings, DHCP, and basic NAT behavior without opening many separate windows. Interfaces is one of the most important windows in RouterOS. It shows the ports and logical interfaces on the router. For a beginner, this is where you first learn which port is connected upstream, which port is part of the lab, and which interfaces are active. Inside the IP menu, the Addresses window shows which IP address is assigned to which interface. This is one of the first places to check when you want to confirm Layer 3 connectivity. DHCP client tells you whether an interface is receiving an address automatically from an upstream device. If the client is bound, the router has successfully received a lease, and basic connectivity is usually much easier to troubleshoot. The bridge section is used when you want multiple ports to behave as one Layer 2 network. On many real MikroTik routers, this is where you start building the local LAN side before applying more advanced configuration. System Resources gives you a fast technical summary of the router itself. You can see uptime, memory, CPU load, storage, architecture, and the RouterOS version from one screen. The log window is one of the best beginner troubleshooting tools. It records system events, logins, warnings, and service activity, so you should get into the habit of checking it early whenever something is not working. New terminal opens the RouterOS command line. Even if you mainly use Winbox, learning a few basic commands makes you faster and gives you more confidence while troubleshooting and exploring the router. From here, a basic user should practice interfaces, IP addresses, DHCP client, bridge, log, and terminal. Once these screens feel familiar, firewall rules, routing, and VPNs become much easier to understand.